Hi, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to my Craig Proctor review. But before we start, make sure you stick around for the end because I have a very special free gift for you that can change your life. It's changed mine. So, Craig Proctor is a well known figure in the real estate coaching with a program designed to help agents transform their business. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if it's right for you. Let's talk about the pros. He has a proven track record. Craig Proctor himself boasts a successful real estate career, and his program highlights success stories of agents who have benefited from his coaching. The Craig Proctor system emphasizes creating a structured approach to lead generation, marketing, and client service. This can be valuable for agents who struggle with organization or want a more predictable business model. Craig Proctor offers a variety of resources, including coaching programs, workshops, books, and a podcast. This allows you to choose the learning format that best suits you. The Craig Proctor program seems to cultivate a community aspect, potentially fostering connections and fostering a network of fellow agents. All right, let's continue with my review of Craig Proctor. The cons. Real estate coaching programs can be expensive, and Craig Proctor's program is no exception. Consider the financial investment required before enrolling. While there are positive testimonials on the Craig Proctor website and affiliated channel, it's important to seek out independent reviews from multiple sources to get a well-rounded perspective. The Craig Proctor system may prioritize high volume lead generation and prospecting, which might not suit all personalities or real estate niches. Be aware of potential upsells for additional coaching or resources within the Craig Proctor program. Here's some additional points to consider. Your experience level. If you're a new agent, Craig Proctor's system might be overwhelming. It may be more suitable for established agents looking to refine their business. Explore other real estate coaching programs and resources before committing. Overall, Craig Proctor's program seems to be a well regarded option with a structured approach. However, the cost and potential emphasis on high volume prospecting are essential factors to consider. Weigh the pros and cons, research other options, and ensure it aligns with your experience level and business goals. Thanks for watching my Craig Proctor review. In my opinion, the best online business is affiliate marketing. The upside is passive income. It has a low startup cost. You can do it from anywhere. You don't have to buy product or whole inventory. You don't need a customer service or a staff. So to sum this all up, if you're looking to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and you don't know where to start, you should look at my free ebook. It gives you the 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with a high-ticket affiliate marketing. Check the subscription button and hit the link for your free ebook gift. Check it out to see if e-marketing is for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye for now.